So I wanted to start this like little beast texture pack thing. I just kind of see how it goes. I haven't tried it yet, but it kind of looks like, I guess, I don't know. Like I see tractor, a guy in like the little bee costume thing, so they don't get stung, and the dog. That's kind of all I see. So I'm gonna get it started. Let's see. Survival normal. Okay, let's get it started. I'm actually really excited. Let's see. Oh, okay. So we start off. Is this like our room or something? Oh, this looks cool already. Okay, there's a chest here. Okay, let's see. I don't think I need that just yet. Wait. Oh, I don't have a jukebox in here. Okay, so I'm going to read this. I am setting into my new small town life. Really, well, I can't wait to start my beekeeping. Apprenticeship? I don't know what this is. I am buzzing with excitement. Okay, I'll read day 2 later. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. We're going downstairs. Oh, this is cool. Oh, there's chests everywhere. Oh. Okay, I grab all this stuff later. I kind of like look around and stuff later. Is this a kitchen? Is there food? I like food. It's my favorite hobby. Oh, there's no food. Is there food? Oh, there's food. Okay, I am taking that. Oh, if I find something and armor and stuff, I guess so. Ooh, there's bees. Wait, do I need protective gear or something? Okay, I'm not gonna go yet. I'm gonna go see if I need, like, look around inside those chests and see chests and stuff and see if I can find some armor or something. Okay, that's outside again. Let's see, I'm trying to go upstairs. Oh, is this like a bathroom or something? Oh, it's cool. That's actually really cool. I'll check upstairs in a second. Ooh. Oh, it's another diary. Watch out. Oh. Okay, no, I'm not gonna steal that. I'm not gonna steal that. Cause I don't know if they'll get mad at me or something. Ooh, there's big chest up here. Oh, diamonds. Okay, okay. Oh, boots. Bread. I'll take the bread. I'll take it. I'll take gold now later. Hopefully I'm allowed to take this stuff. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Okay. I don't see any more armor, so I might have to... Okay, here's some gold, I guess. That's an ender pearl? Wow, that looks different. Okay, I don't see anything actually. Oh! Okay. I don't know how the... Let me see how the gold would look. Oh! Okay. Now let's see how the iron would look. Okay, I don't think that they'd be any different if they mixed. But I will take all the gold, because I think it looks cooler. Okay, so that's enough for a chest plate, but I already have a chest plate. Ooh! Honey money. Okay, I guess I'll take that. I don't know if I can eat it. It did say it was money, so I don't know if I want to eat it. Looking around to see... Okay, more gold. Is there a crafting table somewhere? I don't know if I had one inside my room or not. Okay. Okay, there we go. And this. I need some more for a helmet. I probably should have made the helmet instead. Okay, I'm gonna go looking around. I don't think it'll be much different. I'm probably just gonna go grab the iron because I'd rather be protected than have to always be styling. You know. I don't really see anything anymore. I just need one more. There we go. I'm gonna leave the other one in there just in case I need it for later. This is, I guess, like a little storage area. Hopefully they don't get mad at me for taking this. I don't think they will, but hopefully they don't. Oh, no, right here. Okay. Oh, I think, okay, I look cool. Oh, that's cool. That's epic. I like that. So I'm gonna go down, kind of explore a little bit. I'll read some more of the diary later. Oh, that's, oh, oops. Don't be mad at me. Oh, I didn't get seeds. Okay. Let's see, will they be mad at me? Hello. Oh, they do trades and stuff. Whoa. Oh, okay, so honey money. Oh, wait, so where would I, honey? So I'm guessing I get the honey from here. Can I approach? Oh my gosh. So much. I can hear them. Okay, I don't think they attack. What's it? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's. Oh, wait, I can trade with him. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wait, what? I can get a queen bee. Okay. This is all really cool. I'm going to actually go steal. Oh wait, what's this? I'm gonna go look at everything first. Oh, hello. Wait, wasn't like, hold on. Oh, wait, but what's up here? Apples and paint, I think. Okay, a bucket. Nothing I need. Okay, I don't think I need any. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. More enchanting books. Beekeeping. I'll check that in a second. Okay. Oh, wait, did I check that one? Yeah, I think that's the first one I checked. Oops. Hello, what do you trade? Okay, so I think all of them trade. I don't think I need to. I could get a tractor. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, I'm gonna steal one of those chests. Okay, and I'm gonna take this. And put that here. Okay, and I'm gonna put this right. And I'm put this in here. And put this over here. Because that's where I can. Oh, wait. I think that. Wait, let me see how much wheat it is for. Oh my gosh, 64 wheat for 1 honey money? That's a ripoff. Wait. All this stuff over here. Wait, there's a barn over there. Okay. Do I have 10 experience? How did I get experience? Oh, okay, it's because I traded with him. Oh, there's a tractor in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, is it... Okay, does it need a key or something? Can I not get... Okay. Okay, here's a chest. Oh, a diamond chest plate. How's that look? Oh, I feel royal. Oh, I see chests up there. How am I supposed to get up there? Oh, wheat. I think I need that. No, let me like, let me, no, like, jump a click. Oh, I can't because that thing up there. So I need to get up there for these? Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna get up there, then come back. Hold on. Put this right here, and then, okay, let's turn this. Okay, nothing I wanted. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't think I need any of this. Like, it already seems pretty peaceful. It's nighttime. I haven't heard any zombies or anything, so I don't. Gotta break this. No. I'm seeing if there's like a key or something. No. There's no key or anything. No. I saw a path another way too, so I'm gonna see if that leads to anywhere. Okay, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see anything. Like, it's pretty peaceful. But I saw one going that way, so I'm gonna go that way. It's all the way over here. Wait, I see light. Oh. It's like the town. Why don't I live in the town? Why did they exclude me? Wait, are doors locked? I don't know. Let's see. No, doors aren't locked. Is there any chest? Ooh, I want chests. Those always have interesting things. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'll check those in a second. No, I'm gonna just go ahead and. So, I saw this vet clinic. I left that house. It had nothing in it, like nothing interesting. I only have like 2 more minutes to record, and I wanted it to be. Oh, kitty cat. Look at this doggo. Okay. Well, I wanted it to be interesting. Do they have anything? No. Is that like a mob spawner? Okay. It's kind of a small vet clinic. I saw something down there. No, it's shortcut. Oh, yeah, just dropping by. I'm going over here. Find anything? Nope. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Okay, I'm getting really excited. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, they had a door. They look rich. They look rich, yet nothing interesting. Not even diamonds. That's okay though. Okay, well, I can't really, find anything fun. Ooh. Okay. I have to stop. I have to stop here. Okay, I'm sorry. I know that was cheesy, but just want to say bye. Thank y'all for watching. And I will be doing more of this. So, yeah. And in my unlock series that we're doing, it just complete mess. I'll explain it later. Bye.